Let's design a space. In this video, we are presenting to you a 3 BHK apartment designed in Bangalore. One element that guided the entire design process in this project was colors. The house had to have different colors in each of the space, and when put together, it had to look harmonious. So this was the challenge. Let's get right into the video and see how we tackled this. For details such as the budget and the furniture covered, scope of work, etc., kindly refer the description box. Now the foyer area is spacious here, so we have given a seater along with tall storage units. Now this is treated in a shade of grey. The wall next to the shoe rack is where we have given a brick cladded wall so that it adds a lot of warmth to the whole space. Now this leads into the living area. So as soon as we get through the foyer and get into the living, onto the left hand side we have designed the TV unit, which has a color gradient of the shade grey. So you can see a shade lighter, a shade darker. To balance these two things together, we have a light wooden color laminate. So this has ample amount of storage, and behind the TV for the back panel to add a play, we've given vertical rafters which also has a backlight. Now, opposite to the TV area is the cedar wall, and we have a checked pattern given in the wood. The dining crockery again is open to the living area, so we have continued the same color combination. The bottom cabinet is lifted slightly above the floor, and there is top storage as well. Onto the left hand side of the crockery is the bar unit. Now the kitchen area has a parallel layout. So onto one side is the chimney layout, wherein we have bottom storages in a light brown color. For the wall units, we've given the bronze mirror, and on top of that is loft, which is in a lighter shade so that it reflects a lot of light. Now all these wall units are handle-free system, which makes it look much more sleek and contemporary. Opposite to this unit is where the sink cabinet area comes, and next to it is housed the fridge. The color blue dominates the master bedroom, hence the headboard wall is a stark grey. So the blue, there is 3 shades of blue given in here. It's a sliding wardrobe, and there is a sleek dresser storage next to which is a full length mirror. The false ceiling in this room continues from the headboard of the wall all the way up till the ceiling, and there is an element of brown given in the false ceiling for the sake of warmth. The parents' bedroom has a beautiful green color, and this again has a gradient of dark and light. Now to put these things together, we have a common color grey along with a light brown color, which has wooden texture to it. So now there are 3 shutter wardrobes on either sides, and in the center we propose the TV unit, for which there is storage below and there is open storage on top as well. Now since there is a play of color in the wardrobe, we wanted to reflect the same onto the headboard wall, so you can see 3 different bands of colors. The kids' bedroom is a beautiful pink themed room, so The wardrobe and the cot is stacked onto one of the wall, which makes it organized onto one side of the wall, keeping the other side very spacious to move around. So the cot has storage, and above the cot there are storages designed. And at the foot of the cot is a very simple study unit with 2 pull-out drawers. The false ceiling is kept completely white so that pink stands out. If you liked this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.